We have to fix up our kitchen elevations also. I forgot that. In our bathroom. Um, I did the master bathroom. Just needs a few basic measurements. Here's the height of our counter. Here's how wide it is. Distance from the counter to the shower, depth of the shower, height of the shower. Here's the space provided for the toilet. It has to be a minimum of 30 inches by code. There's supposed to be 15 inches from the center of the stool to each side of the enclosure that it sets within. So the shower and the cabinet, it should be 15 inches away. So we're 1 inch over here, which is fine, and so we could go 1 foot 3 inches if we wanted to, but the minimum by code is 15 inches on each side of the stool, 30-inch space, 15 inches from the center to the edge, the center to the edge. So we'd have some basic measurements like that. So you could do the same thing over here, get some basic measurements in from here to here to here, a height measurement. I just used the detail line and a rectangle and drew this mirror in and put some lines across it. It's 2'6" by 2'6" by 2'10". 2'10" is probably a little high. 34. They're usually about 30, I think. You could make the mirror any size you want. So I put a mirror in there. We could put lighting and stuff in, but this is all we need, basic stuff. So if we go back to a kitchen, we look at this, wherever you see the cupboard as an end, like this one and this one, and over here we see, here's the end cabinet up here and down here. Wherever you see them as an end, you're supposed to put a hatch pattern on them. So region, I'm going to use, this is 3/8 of an inch equals a foot. That's what I'm going to do the bathrooms and the kitchen at. 3/8 of an inch equals a foot. So if I do annotate, let's cancel this. I need region, a rectangle, and I'm just going to come in here and grab the top and bottom of that cupboard. The door sticks out a little bit there, and it's I'm going to use diagonal up. If you want to, you can hit the check mark on that, have it be its own hatch pattern. Then we can do a region again, and it'll be diagonal up. I'll come in here, and sometimes I do that as lines, I guess, because on the bottom you can get the toe kick in. So the top one was a rectangle, this one was not. So I'm going to place a few dimensions on here. Annotate and linear, and just going to grab the edge of all the cupboards and the dishwasher, pull those down, get some heights on here from here. And it's up to you. You can go to the top of the countertop, top of the cupboard, one or the other. So I grab the top of the counter. There's the cupboard. There's the cupboard. We pull that out here. I don't care where the window's at. It's already there. You know, somebody else used the wall dimensions to get that in. This is the angled door. So this really is the full unit here. So that's 2 foot wide. That does a pretty good job of detailing the cupboards. There's other ways to do it. Some people put text on them that describes them, but these dimensions will do just fine. So you would have to do that to this elevation also. We need maybe a vertical here. We'd have to come across here and then include the distance from here to the wall. We do have cupboards up here that would stop and then you could go in and put an arrow in that says you have a 2 and 191, 256. Let's see, what really do we want for that? A distance of 2. 2, yeah, just a 2-inch spacer. You could have a leader that points to that says 2-inch filler or 2-inch spacer. Remember to put your hatch pattern here and here. So that will get you your kitchen elevations. We've got the dimensions here. We want this one to have dimensions also. You've got the bathroom with dimensions. We want this one to have dimensions also.